Hello, today I'm in Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display. Thanks to this button we can answer the calls. Thanks to plus and minus we can adjust radio volume, and this panel activates voice assistant. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can start cruise control, speed limiter, we can adjust it, we can manage forward collision system and lane departure system. We can change mode for radio station, for example we can select FM, AM, Bluetooth, and we can skip to the next track. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.